Good morning, crew. Tonight's prehistoric design, we're going to draw Anchiceratops. Yeah, I know what you all want me to say. Morning, fans. Tonight we're going to draw Pentaceratops. Hang on a minute. That doesn't look like... Hang on a minute. We already did Pentaceratops. I know, that was just an expression. There's no reason to panic. Now relax, relax, relax. There. Sorry about that, you guys. I mean, that'd be something that... Sorry, guys, that'd be something that I would put in one of my episodes. That's right, come back. It's alright. I will not frighten you like that again. Sorry, guys. Yeah, sorry about that. I have an actual Anchiceratops in the backyard. And to be honest, this guy's actually quite gentle. You should say hi. You'd be great friends with him. Anyway, Anchiceratops was a relative of Pentaceratops, along with the rest of its ancestral cousins, like Triceratops and Pachycephalosaurus. Oh, sorry, I meant Pachyrhinosaurus. This guy should be on DVD. I mean, these amazing beings. I mean, this guy has been around since the Cretaceous. I feel like it was found in Spain. That'd be something, huh? Did you know that some dinosaurs were found in Spain? I feel like they were. That'd be something, huh? Anyway, yeah, there's Anchiceratops. Let's see, I think they've been around since the time of, well, Torosaurus. According to their bio, they've got crests and they have, well, their long spikes that stick out of their skull have the ability to protect themselves. I codenamed this creature a magnificent crested dinosaur. That's what I call Anchiceratops. Anyway, there he is. That is how you draw Anchiceratops. And I know what you're asking yourself. What am I doing with these Astro Design projects? Well, these aren't thumbnails. I'm actually turning them into pieces for shows that debut in New York City. And, well, this one's one of my favorites. I placed this in the top 10. Anyhow, that is how you draw Anchiceratops. Oh look, he returned to me. Good kid. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next episode. And I'll have my Anchiceratops with me. By my side.